Assalamu alaikum. I'm Aisha Heather. I'm a clinical psychologist and mental health practitioner at Therapy Solutions Karachi.
So I have a question for you. How environmental factor impact mental health?
Environmental factors are very important for the mental health of human beings. We human beings we have our psychology, our physiology, our environment. It affects us strongly. Well, extreme weather conditions are conditions outside our home, our conditions at our universities, workplace. They all have a very strong positive or negative impact on our health. For example, if there is pollution, for example, if there are extreme weather conditions, these things they affect us negatively. And similarly, if there is a good weather, there are people they go for outing, they feel happy. बच्चों का बाहर जाने का दिल करता है अगर मौसम अच्छा हो तो मौसम का environment का has a very close connection, has a very close impact on human psyche and human mental health.
According to you, how can we make people aware or steps that can be helpful in environment conversation?
Number one, educate people. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है दैट स्कूल्स में, ऑफिसेज में, हर जगह टीवी पे लोगों को एजुकेट किया जाए अबाउट द एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स जो कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं टुवर्ड्स द पोल्यूशन या जो चीज़ें जिनको हम रोक सकते हैं. For example, educate your children that when they leave the room, they should turn off all the electronic appliances. They should close the tap after they have used the water. Grow more trees, grow more plants. Start a recycling system in your offices, at your home. Pick up litter even if it's not yours. हर जगह आप litter नहीं फेंक सकते. And wear anti-air pollution masks if there's a lot of pollution in the air. ऐसा fuel use करें गाड़ी में which is better, which is not जैसे diesel heavy oil नो के diesel का धुआं जो is very harmful for everyone. So use that. Carpooling कर लें. There are a lot of things, a lot of activities जिसमें हम सब as a community, as a city involve हो सकते हैं to reduce the pollution. It's very important to educate everyone and involve everyone.
What is environmental psychology good for? Anyway, sounds nice, but has it ever improved the world?
Environmental psychologists they study the relationship of human beings and the environment. So nature or nurture का जो connection है, they study about that and what motivates individuals to take care of their planet. So it's very important that studies should be done in this field. Human beings should be informed and involved how to save the planet, how to एक तो biological factors की वजह से there are major changes, climate changes are occurring, but there are some changes which are because of the human beings as well, which are because of us. So हम अपने तौर पे जो कुछ control कर सकते हैं और जैसे control कर सकते हैं, we need to work on that.
What according to you is an enriched or healthy environment?
Healthy environment includes everything. It includes starts from a good diet, from a healthy protective house, from a healthy protective environment. ऐसा environment जिसमें less pollution हो, ऐसा environment जिसमें you feel secure and safe, ऐसा environment जिसमें water is available to everyone, drinking water, clean water is available to everyone, to the houses, even to the people who are very very poor, and to the people who are very very rich who can afford it and those who cannot afford it. मेडिकल हेल्थ सिस्टम अच्छा हो जहाँ का. सो इन्वायरमेंटल तो सब लोग इन्वॉल्व हैं इसमें.
What is the role of environment in showing signs of aggressiveness, and is it genetic or environmental?
जेनेटिक भी है और it's both. It's actually environmental and genetic both. We can't, as a psychologist, as a mental health practitioner, it's our role to rule out everything which is genetic. So yes, aggression is genetic as well as environmental. For example, if there's a child who sees के घर पे बाप है, या usually हमारी society में it's acceptable के जो male figures हैं they become angry and they lash out on everyone, या घर पे वो मारते हैं या धाड़ते हैं, जैसे भी उनका behavior है, तो बच्चे आगे से यही सीखते हैं कि this is acceptable. So probably वो educate करना, वो बताना, वो rule out करना कि it's not normal, it's not healthy. एंड एज वेल एज येस एनवायरनमेंट का भी फैक्टर है उसमें. बहुत सारी स्टडीज़ हुई हैं कि जो हॉट क्लाइमेट है जिसमें लोग रहते हैं उसमें दे फील मोर स्ट्रेस। अगर बहुत एक्सट्रीम वेदर कंडीशंस हैं, लेट्स से जब गर्मियों में जून जुलाई में कराची में बहुत हॉट रहता है, तो मे बी स्ट्रेस लेवल इज़ वेरी हाई एंड पीपल प्रॉब्ली बिकम मोर अग्रेसिव टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर।
Do you think people are trying or helping themselves for sustainable environmental changes?
येस एंड नो, पीपल आर हेल्पिंग देमसेल्व्स, लेकिन बहुत छोटे लेवल पे आई थिंक हो रहा है। इट हैज़ टू, इट शुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ क्राइसिस सिचुएशन जिसके लिए हम अभी तैयार नहीं हुए। आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड ट्रीट द बिग क्लाइमेट चेंज, द बिग एनवायरमेंटल चेंज, द एयर पोल्यूशन, द वाटर पोल्यूशन एज अ क्राइसिस सिचुएशन। तो हम इसको ऐसे नहीं डील कर रहे। आई थिंक हमें बहुत ज़्यादा और सेमिनार्स की, बहुत ज़्यादा और ट्री प्लांटिंग एक्टिविटीज़ की, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा और एजुकेशन की ज़रूरत है। तो वी नीड टू बी मोर अग्रेसिव ऑन दैट।
Okay, so we are done here. Thank you so much for your precious time.
Thank you so much for having me.